inspiration is definitely the more like modern bride. That one's something a little bit more like youthful and dewy. I'm using a lot of Becca Cosmetics because most of her line is very like beautiful and youthful and just brings a really pretty glow to the face. So with this next look, I really wanted to go in the direction of something a little bit more non-traditional, a little bit more like edgy, editorial. So I'm really obsessed with this new like body glow trend, and I actually watched a video of J-Lo's makeup artist giving his like grand reveal secret, and so I went out and it's like the most unexpected product. It was a sunscreen spray from Neutrogena. It just gives you the prettiest glow and protection, and now I just can't stop doing it.